Hello friends, today we are talking about how to create a YouTube channel and earn money from YouTube. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates. When we go to youtube.com, we see here in the corner sign in option. When we click this sign in option, we find here we need to sign in with the help of our Google account. Last day we create our dummy Google account. Today we are using that account. Raza G I think so 440 at gmail.com. Enter, click password. Now here you can see we are signing with our dummy account, Gmail dummy account, and now we will be able to easily create our YouTube channel. When we click here we can see create a channel. Click on this create a channel. Your creator journey begins. Get started, no thanks. If you do not want to create your YouTube channel, then click no thanks. If you want to create, then click on get started. Select use your name or use custom name. For channel, if you want to use your own name, with here you can see Razaji, then you can select this. If you want to change any other name, then you can change different type. I am going to select on my dummy name. Select nice work. Your channel Razaji has been created. Here you can see our channel is being created. Upload a profile picture. Here we need to upload any picture. Here we can select any picture. Here I am going to select this one, my channel's MyTechPlus logo. Here you can see here picture will be changed, and tell viewers about your channel. Here you need to type something about your channel. It means that the description of your channel, what you want to create in your videos. If you are creating village type videos, then you are going to tell about your channel, like vegetable channel or fruit channel. If you are creating tech channel, any type of channel you are creating, you need to describe about your channels in this channel descriptions. I am going to talk about latest news. I am going to talk about latest news in this channel. Like this, you have to put your descriptions about your channels here. Here you can type 1000 words in this area. Add link to your site. Here you need to add your website link. If you have any website, then you have to put your URL here, and if you don't have, then no problem. Go to the next option, social links. If you have a Facebook account or profile, you have to put your URL address here. And if you don't have, then you need to create the specific profile for your YouTube channel, this with the same name as your channel name, and create your Facebook profile with the same name. That help you to create any post, any advertisement on Facebook with the same name as your channel's name. Also, if you have any Twitter account, then put your Twitter account here. If you don't have, then create your Twitter account with the same name as your YouTube channel. And same like Instagram, you need to create the same name as your YouTube channel, because YouTube help you to create your advertisement. When you post any video on YouTube, then Google ask you to create your advertisement on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. If you have the same account or different, same and different, have no problem. If you do not have any other account, then you need to create the same account as your YouTube channel account. Save and continue. Here you can see our YouTube channel is created. Customize channel, upload video. Here if you want to customize your channel, click here, customize your channel, and here you will be able to change your add channel art. Click here. If you want to change your channel art, then click here, select from your computer thing as you want to change. You can change everything as you want to change from this area. We are going to click on our channel and click on Creator Studio and setting. Click on Creator Studio. Here you can see everything about your channel, videos, playlist, analytics, and here is the summary. And if you want to see deep analytics about your channel, click on go to channel analytics. Let's go to setting and see different types of settings. Here you select your currency type, and different currencies are available here. The channel, and you click on your channel. Basic information, keywords, these keywords are about your specific niche. And country, advanced setting, here different types of advanced settings, then branding, and then future eligibility. If you go here downside, status and futures, click here. Here you will see status and future. First of all, we need to verify our channel. If we click here verify, then we find the next page. Here we select our country and the method. How should we deliver the verification code to you, with call or with text? Click on text, and which language should we use to send you the verification code? English. And here is the example of the mobile number we need to enter, 030123. It's a sample number, and click on submit. Then your account will be verified. Here you will see uploading, enable monetization. We are creating a new channel, still monetization is not activated, we are not eligible. We need 4,000 hours, 1,000 subscriber to eligible for monetization. Here you see different options are available. Click on return to YouTube Studio, and here you see your channel is created. Thanks for watching MyTechPlus. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more notifications.